So back in mid-July, I purchased a pair of Pierce and Pure bass horns. Paid over $50 for them. So my horn's not working. So I picked these up at Harbor Freight for $10. They're 110 dBs. Okay, so I got myself some speaker wire. So this is what I'm gonna do. Okay, so we're gonna cut 3 pieces out of this. Size is good. Cut this right here. Put this right in here. Okay, so just gonna split it. Okay. Take this thing. So you're going to take 2 of these. So you want to make sure you join them together. Well, at least that's what I'm doing for my car. Take the other one. Okay, and then same deal. Split this. This. And yes, of course, I'm going to tape this down with electrical tape. I got 3 wires connected together. All right. Okay, so now we got plugs in. Anyone trying this, you're trying it at your own risk. My car blows up. It blows up. I have to do with it, not anyone else. So, do the same thing here. Okay. Now, so that's my cable. I'm gonna install it now. All right, so I'm about to remove three screws. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm using a 7mm. Okay. Can't find my smaller ratchet, so gotta use this one with an extension. got the 10. That's it. Okay. Here it is. I have to take these 2 screws out to take the grill off, and then there's 2 on the other end. I'm gonna take this whole grill off. Okay, so I have a mess over here. I needed a second to check what I was doing. I'm glad that I got these connections correct. I was just unsure of the connection over here. So you see that screw? There's a 10mm screw right there. So I put the ground there, the other one there. And yes, I haven't put it all together, but I don't want to go through the troubles and find out later that it's not working. But we'll go press the horn right now. Oh, it works. Okay, so I put the first horn passenger side on the first wheel there. That's where the other one was. And went up through there, came through here, and mounted the other horn there. Let's see how it sounds. Okay, not bad. All right, about to put the grill back on, and that's it.